Hey folks, it's PAPATexas with Maddie, and Aubrey's running around. Alright, this is the potatoes. We're gonna plant them. The weather has been crazy. It's been raining, it gets cold at night, freezes, warms up to 70 during the day. We just haven't been able to plant them, but check this out. I went ahead and just stuck them in dirt. Look at them things growing. The side I wasn't gonna use, they're growing too, so hey, let's just throw them all in there. Now the thing about this barrel right here, yes, that's what we're going to put them in. We got dirt, can you see my hand? We got dirt somewhere in here. And we're just gonna drop them in there, put some dirt in there, and as they grow, you add dirt and they will continue to grow. And then the potatoes will go all through here. I have a potato playlist called Tater Wars 2018, and there's other people showing you their potato plants and how they started it, and they'll give you your updates, and I'll be adding it to that so that it helps the community to go to one place and go look at other people's potatoes. Calvin's Corner 72, we did this last year. Alice, the G-Mall's in there, and Duel some more games. They're already in there. They've already planted theirs. You'd think I'd have planted mine before them. Give me a minute. We're gonna drop these babies in here. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna go look down in the barrel. It's just dirt. All right, and then Maddie, she smoothed it out. We took out the soil and put it over here in this bucket, and that's what we're gonna be adding to that. And we'll probably have to go buy some more. And there's my taters. All right, so check this out. Look at the growth on that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Ain't that goodness? We're just gonna set it down in there like that. You wanna, don't take the roots off of it. This one, I'm just gonna leave it all together like that. I really wanted to spread it out, but they'll be okay. Oh, there we go. Just toss them in there, Maddie. Don't. Okay, you better do it now, sir. Camera, let's see what you're doing. Don't be professional, like Papa. I can't see what you're doing, baby. Alright, so there we're getting it going. These are really too close together. They'll separate. Have no fear. Okay, now don't go above the plants. I know some of them are going to be below the dirt, but that's okay. You can use buckets, like the one that's got the dirt in it over here, but it's easier than the ground. And the other thing about the bucket is keep it growing. Come out here and check on it. Keep adding that dirt. Like I said, they'll keep growing. And probably the end of June, the top of the plant will die. And when the top of the plant dies, they're ready. Wait about 3 days, dump this sucker over. Maddie crawls up in there and she pulls out all the potatoes. Some more good advice. Last year I had 2 types of potatoes in here. One grew fast, one grew slow. We're just using one. Alright, just like that. I'm gonna put some water on it, and I'll give you updates. Look at that. I planted them in the blue barrel 11 days ago, and that's what we got. I mean, that sucker's getting up there. So what I'm gonna do now, this one here is causing me a problem. What I'm gonna do now is I'm bringing the soil up. They just sprung up in the last 2 days. Last night I did not look at them, but 2 days ago I did, and they were down here. And we got a good showers today. That's what we got. That's what we got. And if you're still here, I don't know if you can see that or not. This is the sunflower seeds. The birds ate the sunflower seeds. I had to start over. I had to put a bird netting over it, and they taken off. I did them on the same day, 11 days ago. That's what we got. There's gonna be a bunch more come up. These are gonna work. There you go. And just like that, she's gonna grow. Yes, she is. Y'all have a great week. I don't know what day I'm putting this out, but I hope you had a great day today. It's PAPATexas. See ya.